This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav attended the grand celebration of Ganga Dashera in Ujjain and offered prayer to the holy Shipra river. At Ramghat, the Chief Minister along with his wife offered milk to the river and dedicated a 300 feet long chunri to Ma Shipra. The event marked the end of the Shipra Tirth Parikrama Yatra and began with a special performance by the Indian Navy Band. Popular singer Maithili Thakur is also scheduled to perform devotional songs, adding spiritual energy to the celebration. The government of Mohan Yadav is preparing to take another big loan in the last week of May. The state will borrow Rs 2,800 crore through the Reserve Bank of India in two parts, Rs 1,600 crore and Rs 1,200 crore. This is the fourth time in the financial year 2026 to 27 that the government has borrowed money from the market. With this fresh borrowing, the total loan taken by the state this year will reach Rs 9,200 crore. The government say the money will be used for development projects and financial needs, while critics may raise question about increasing debt level. Former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister and Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has launched a new book based on his 35 years of experience with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The book titled Apnapan Narendra Modi Sang Mere Anubhav was released at the NASC complex in Delhi. The event was attended by former Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda. Many chief ministers from several states also joined the ceremony and praised the book. The judicial inquiry into the deadly cruise accident at Bargi Dam has officially started. The accident happened on April 30th and killed 13 tourists. On Tuesday, a hearing was held at the collectorate under the leadership of Justice Sanjay Dwivedi. During the hearing, a citizen consumer guidance group presented legal and technical concerns related to the tragedy. Officials are now reviewing safety measures, responsibility and possible negligence to understand what caused the accident and prevent such incident in the future. The Congress party started a protest at Rajpara in Indore against the growing water shortage in the city. Many Congress leaders, workers and supporters joined the demonstration. Former Minister Sajjan Singh Verma strongly criticized the mayor and called him an accidental mayor during the protest. Congress workers also raised slogans against the city administration and demanded quick action to solve the water crisis. Residents in some areas are reportedly facing serious problems due to irregular water supply and increasing summer heat. Nearly 45 cities in Madhya Pradesh are facing severe heatwave condition as temperatures continue to rise. Although the Nautapa season started with a storm and light rain, intense heat has returned in many districts. A red alert for extreme heat has been issued in Niwari, Tikamgarh, Chhatarpur, Panna and Satna. Cities like Khajuraho and Nagaon in Chhatarpur district remain among the hottest with temperature crossing 45 degrees Celsius continuously. Health officials are advising people to stay indoors during peak afternoon hours and drink enough water to avoid heat-related illness.